Highlevel Harris is the best affiliate on the planet. Now today I'm going to tell you how you're going to set up Apple Pay payment on your products. Whenever someone goes to buy your products or purchase the software monthly subscription through phone, what happens is that there'll be an option for them to pay through Apple Pay instead of them putting their card details in and all the other stuff that comes with it. So let me show you how you're going to do that. So first things first, go into a sub account. Then what you want to do is make sure that Stripe is connected. The way you'd connect it is you go onto Launchpad. Here where it says Stripe, make sure that Stripe is connected. Next, from there, what you want to do is go to the Payments tab. So once you're on the Payments tab, go into Integrations. Now, once your Stripe is connected, it should say Manage over here. Then what you want to do is tick this box here called Register Domains for Apple Pay. So on the screen here, I'm going to put a picture on how it will look like when Apple Pay is registered and completed. All you have to do is toggle this button here under Payments, Integrations, and then make sure that's done. Okay? If you want me to help you and jump on Zoom calls with you and show you how to use Highlevel, sign up through Highlevel through my affiliate link and you get all these benefits here. So this is a quick one how you're going to set up Apple Pay payments on your products. Thank you.